Everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today guys, we are here in Hitapi guys, port of Hitapi. So I need to go into the Cebu because I got call from the Duli. So immigrations, departments of immigrations guys. So we have activity today we need to attend guys, so I need to go in Cebu guys. So we are here in Hitapi, port of Hitapi guys. It's nice. Oh my god, we have wind. It's a big wind. So hopefully a lot of passengers to go. This is my neighbor there. We have a husband foreigner. My neighbor before that one, John, she know that. He know that one, John, that we have a foreigner. Pwede atos babaw day? Ato lang ko babaw eh. So we are guys, we have a big wind. Big wind. Wow, we are here in Cebu. Cebu guys. Did not bring umbrella, it was raining.
Officially later on by our dear Regional Director of the Department of Migrant Workers, and of course we're so happy that with us today are the prime mover of the activity from Manila, ang atong Director sa National Reintegration, Ma'am Didin, ang nagkalain-lain ng mga groups of OFW organizations from
to our group so that it will be easy for me to explain. So, according to them, they put struggling because of less opportunities, which is very true, diba sir? So, kita mong good mga OFW, muli ka, most likely tambay yun.
Pero mo naman i-reality factual, dili gyud ka pa-edukar ang pamilya kung usa o naaras Pilipinas. Naaman tuon pero free education. Free education man gani pero magsubay jud sa entrance examination. Wa kay kaila di kaluso. So that's why importante ang education kay mauni siya bahandi nga dili mapalit og sapi. The only thing, the wealth that can be brought wherever our children, our beneficiaries Mamatay man ang ginikanan, nagpabilin ang edukasyon sa mga kabataan. Another
Pero kung ganina akong naagtan ang reporter na ito, mga lalaki, maayo kayo mo tabi. Maayo dili.
Mayo.
So karong
Finish everything guys. Prepare guys. We're finished here. Activities. So here. Well, back in Bohol. Now is 6:40 guys. It's dark guys. 6:40 p.m. So need to go.